I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're going to mirror your phone to the TV now. First, verify capabilities on both devices. If you have an HDMI adapter, plug it into the phone and TV. Once you see a connection prompt, accept it. For wireless, open phone screencast or AirPlay settings and scan for the TV, make sure both are on the same Wi-Fi. If using a streaming dongle, wake it and set input on the TV. Now, keep cables organized so you can test wired if wireless fails. You'll choose wired for reliability or wireless for convenience. Start with wired if you need low latency. Plug the adapter into your phone, then into TV HDMI, switch TV input, and allow the phone to output video. Once done, you should see the phone UI mirrored. For wireless, open Cast/AirPlay and pick the TV name. You might need to confirm a code on screen. If the stick needs setup, follow its app prompts to join the same Wi-Fi and finish pairing. You're almost done. Orient the phone and set TV aspect ratio so the picture fits. Mute notifications to avoid interruptions. If the stream lags, switch to wired or move devices closer to the router and try the 5 GHz Wi-Fi band for less interference. If the TV doesn't appear, reboot both devices, replug cables, and check for firmware updates on the TV or streaming stick. One tip: temporarily disable VPNs and battery saver modes. They often block casting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.